Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to create a geolocation field in your SharePoint. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, nowadays we know how widely Office 365 is being used, and SharePoint Online, of course, a very important part of it. So in SharePoint, where you store data for collaboration and other purposes, a very common requirement is store the address too. While some of you can say that, okay, what is so special about it? We can have a string, right? Or we can have a country drop down or combination of that. But what if everything is provided by default and you just need to select the address? How about that? Yes, it is possible. I'm going to show you how. So the very first thing, let me create a list. I'm going to create a list, let's say address or yeah, address. That's fine. And I think this is just a test list. Okay, I create. Created. Okay. Now I'm going to add a column. So if I scroll down, see I have location. I click on. Now you can use map locations. Okay. So here you see. First of all, you need to provide the name. So I'll just put LOC. Find location. Now these are going to be the additional columns, not the main column. I mean, for an address, you'll have like a street address, city, state, country or region, postal code, coordinates, name. So you'll see all that created. But the main factor here is LOC. All are going to be, I mean, this is the main column. All these are going to be part of it. Let me show you how. Add a new column. Okay. Now I'll put something, let's say, what should I do? So, let's say awesome. Do you have anything in your mind that you want to show? Like, yeah, one day stay, one day Jafrabad. Okay, that's fine. This was just an example. So for this address, see, state, coordinates, location name, entered. Okay, or you want to add a more, add Eden. Eden Garden, yeah, Eden Garden State Park, yeah. See, now this has got street address also, location. Okay, so in this way you can manage it easily. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel.